Hi everybody, Stefan from firealarm.com here. Today, I wanted to show you how easy it is to use the Siemens DPU, or Device Programming Unit. I mentioned this tool in our last video on Siemens' FP11 addressable photo smoke detector. Click the link below to hear more about it. To recap, Siemens is one of the very few fire alarm manufacturers that have a standalone, handheld programming tool that can be used to address devices, test loops, and even test for ground faults. It's very handy, easy to use, and it gives more power to the consumer, especially if you know how to use one correctly. It is easy to program any addressable MXL or XLS compatible peripheral, ranging from smoke detector heads to pull stations to monitor modules. We'll be addressing this FP11 head today. First, power up the DPU by clicking the power button on the left-hand side. The DPU can operate on battery power or via AC adapter. Here, I'm using the AC adapter. After you get to the main menu, we have to select Setup and ensure that we're set to program for the correct system. Click Setup, then click System. By the way, you'll see that there's a printer option here. The DPU can be purchased with the DPU-RPT, which is a detachable label printer and larger carrying case for the DPU. This is handy for installs and labeling newly installed devices. After selecting System, select Change to cycle through the different systems until you reach your appropriate system. For this FP11, we'll be programming it for the MXL. Click Exit twice to return to the main menu. Next, we'll plug in our FP11 head into the DPU. Then, select Program. At this point, you'll need to be privy as to what loop and what address you're installing this detector under. Knowledge of your system's points list and riser diagram is needed here in order to make sure you're addressing to the correct point. Select the loop and the address with the keypad and select Program. After a few seconds, the DPU will address, test, and print if applicable, and voila! Your FP11 head is now programmed and can be plugged into your system. It's really that easy. The DPU comes with alternate leads that are to be used in case you're programming pull stations, modules, and other peripherals. The DPU also comes with an external DB-3 base for older IL series detectors. The DPU is able to program a wide variety of devices in the MXL and XLS families of devices. I hope you enjoyed this showcase of some of the features that the Siemens DPU can offer and just how easy to use it is. If you're interested in purchasing a Siemens DPU for yourself, buy it from firealarm.com today. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like below and subscribe to our channel for the latest on all things fire alarm, as well as future firealarm.com updates. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for more information on our products, fire safety facts, and so much more.